So friends, now I will discuss about the worksheet protection. So let's check how we are going to apply worksheet protection. I have a new sheet here for sales orders. You can see this sales order worksheet. It includes order date, region, type, item, units, unit cost, and the total. So in this case, in this cell J3, I can type. It says type rep name here, so I can type the rep name. Right? Let's see how it works. I can type some rep name Jones. Let's say Jones. Right? Then it will automatically calculate his total sales. So let's try another name. Yeah, it will automatically calculate. So this is the worksheet I'm going to protect. So let's see how we are protecting the worksheet. So let's go to review tab. In the review tab, you will see protect sheet icon. So I will click this protect sheet icon. It shows several options, right? There are several elements in this list box. So I'll just remove this for now, and it says only select top sales, select sales, right? So I'll just provide the password. And press OK. Yeah, as in the previous sections, it asks to confirm the password, so I'll confirm the password. Oh, it's wrong, so let's try it again. Right, now the sheet has been protected, and you see this clearly. You see the icon protect worksheet has been changed as unprotect worksheet. So let's see what will happen if I try to do some operation on this sales. So you saw that I type the rep name here, and it automatically calculated the total sales into cell J4. Right, I'll try to type another name here. I'll type the name Andrews. So you see, it won't allow me to type the name. It won't allow me to modify anything. I have no access to type the name here. So the exercise, the cellular chart you are trying to change is unprotected sheet. To make a change unprotected sheet, you might be requested to enter password. So this is how we are protecting the sheet. But when I'm protecting the sheet, you saw there were some elements. So let's first I'll unprotect the sheet. Yeah. And you see there are elements there, some elements when you try to protect the sheet. So let's go again to protect. Let's again try to protect the sheet. Right. You see there is an element called format cells. Let's put this. Let's tick this. Right. Tick this element, and I'll set the password again. Right, let's try what has happened. Let's check what has happened here. right? Okay, I'll try to enter. No, it is not allowed. Right. So in this case, you see cell format. So I'll try to change the format. So yeah, it allow me to change the format. I'll change the format to number, just the number. So let's go to yeah, it's changed. It's changed from currency to account. Let's try to change again from number to account. I don't want so currency. So just check text conversion. So when you are protecting the shade, you can use those elements to mention what you want to allow after shade is protected. So that's how you do that, and I'll discuss how to edit data in a protected worksheet next time. So let's see how we are going to work on a protected sheet. So let's go to shift to sales orders sheet. Right, as I mentioned earlier, here I type the rep name, then it will automatically calculate the total sales. So in this case, after the file protection, I need to enter the rep name into this J3 cell. Now, as it is not protected, you can type the name, right? But you saw in previous lesson, when I try to enter the name into this cell, Excel asks me to provide the password or unprotect the sheet. So how I am going to protect the sheet? By allowing user to type anything in this cell. So let's see how I'm going to do this. So before protecting the sheet, I have to do this simple thing on this cell. So go to format cells and protection. I just have to untick this locked checkbox. So I'll untick this checkbox and click OK. Right. So if you have to allow any range, to edit, you have to select all those cells and just untick that locked checkbox, right? So now I'm going to protect the shade. So let's go to review tab and click on protect. I'll just type the password here. It's okay, and retype the password. Right, now you see I have protected the sheet. So let's try to enter some rep's name here. I'll try to enter Andrew's name, right? You see, it allows me to enter rep name, right? Let's see. Yes, it's working, right? So I'll try to type something in a different cell. You see, it will not allow me to enter into that cell. So I think you are clear on this point. You have to go to cell formats and remove the tick on that locked checkbox. Then you will be allowed to edit those cells. So let's see how we can remove the worksheet protection. In previous section, in previous lesson, we protect the sales orders worksheet. So I'll shift to the sales order worksheet. Now you can see in review tab there's an icon on protect sheet. So just click on protect sheet icon, and protect sheet dialog box appeared, and it asked me to provide the password. So I'll just type the password here and press OK. Yeah, that's it. The protected sheet is unprotected. So now it is unprotected. You are free to type anything here, right? You see, you can type anything in any cell. That's all.